Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I have a big box. This is filled with shoes, so I'm really glad that you showed up so that we can unbox this together and see what Jomar sent to me. I'm really excited to get into this box because if you've been following me for any length of time, you know I'm a freak about shoes. I love shoes, and I especially like selling shoes in my Poshmark closet. So that is why I ordered this box. In fact, I am wondering if Jomar might not be the competitor for ThredUp so far as ordering rescue boxes and getting good used inventory for your Poshmark closets, your eBay stores, Mercari. So I thought I would give it a try. Now the price was really good. This is a box with 20 pairs of shoes. It was $74.99. That is fabulous. Now the shipping on this box was expensive, and I do believe it was calculated shipping. So this company is located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. They sent it all the way to New Mexico, which cost me $44.75. The grand total was just under $120 for all of these shoes, which brings the cost to $5.98. That's the exact cost of each pair of shoes. I'm going to round up to $6. Let's open this up and see if the shoes are worth $6 a pair. Will I be able to flip them in my Poshmark closet? We'll have to see. I will try to leave the comps, the comparable sold values on the screen somewhere so we can kind of discover together. And if you know anything about the brands in this box, please feel free to leave your tips and information in the comments below. I'm so thankful for all the help that you guys give me. If you're new to my channel, hi, I want to welcome you. I'm Kelly Shaffner. I'm really glad you're here, and I hope you subscribe and join me again. Let's open this. Okay, I did get an invoice, which is nice. I did fold it over, so you don't need to see all my personals, but this is it. This is the 20-piece mystery reseller shoe pack. When I ordered this, there was actually pictures of shoes, and I would say mall brand type shoes, maybe even a little bit lower end. Judging from the pictures, it wasn't impressive. I have seen many video reviews on this company. Sometimes I'm impressed, sometimes I'm not at all impressed, but I really like to try everything for myself. If it's terrible, yeah, this will be my only box. Let's just see. Now, I'm looking in here and it looks like, look at this. The shoes are banded together. So that is nice. Okay, this first pair of shoes is Franco Sarto. Can you see Franco Sarto? This is what they look like. They are suede leather. They are a wedge, and that's a patent leather wrapped wedge. The bottoms look pretty good. So these would be comfortable, and there is also a zip entry in the back. So these are not bad. Looks like another wedge here. These are J. Jill, and these are a size 7. I appreciate that we can see the size. Look at that. That's a little warped. So we'll see what we can do with that. So I don't know if these are old or if these are intentionally distressed. You can see we have some marks on them. This is a wedge. There is a bit of a metallic hue to it. Oh, and there's a $3 price tag. Okay, upper leather, lining and sock are leather. So they're a leather J. Jill wedge, size 7. Next we have a pair of Talbots sandals. These are a summer sandal. I'm happy to add these, and they look like they're a larger size, which I love. These are a size 10. They're very simple with a block heel. That's cute. Little gold hardware there. Let's see, can I get that to lay right? Oh, okay, that's gonna, I don't know. So I'm gonna have to put a shoe form on these, but yeah, these are kind of cute. I like these. Okay, I'm just looking. Okay, this one is rubber banded together, and these are a white leather tennis shoe, and they need to be cleaned up. But look at the back. Can you see right there? Alexander McQueen. So let me see here. It's on the tongue. Yes, I think you can see it a little bit better on the tongue there. Alexander McQueen. These are a size 37. It's also on the back. That's a suede on the back. These are dirty. You can see the bottoms. They're dirty. They need a good scrubbing with a magic eraser. But these look fabulous, and I'm happy to have these. They're cute. Aren't those cute? Next up is DV8. That's Dolce Vita. And DV8. Is that Target? I know DV is Target, but I don't think I've seen DV8. So I'll have to look into that. Let me know if you know. So these are cute. These are just kind of a loafer mule, and they feel like real leather. But I don't see anything that indicates they are real leather. Yeah, these are in great shape. Impressed. All right, the next pair are Toms. And you can see they have a mark. They have a mark through, can you see that? Mark through the label there. These are a size 6.5. I like these. And they're dirty. They need to be cleaned up, which is easy. These are really easy to clean. I like these because they're a little bit different. They look like the classic Tom on top, a great print, but yet they have a sole like a fashion sneakers. So these are good. All right, these are fancy, fancy shoes. I like these. These are a shoe that I would wear. These are the brand Nina New York. And what size? Let's see. These are a 40. So these are a size 10. And they have gold stud detail throughout. And they look brand new. You can see, let me show you the bottoms. Look at the bottom. Sorry guys, look at the bottom. I don't think these have been worn, and I don't see any missing studs. So these are nice. This brand can be picked up. I've seen this at DSW, so this is not a real expensive shoe, but I mean, they're a nice special occasion shoe. Ooh, glamorous, huh? Dior say? Yeah, those are pretty, and they are a sensible height, probably about 3.5 inches. Okay, the next pair, you can tell by the sole what they are. These are Rocket Dog, and these are, they're dirty. Everything is dirty. That's been pretty consistent, but these are in pretty nice shape. I can't really get to the size. I'm guessing these are 9.5, size 9. But they're in good shape. I've never tried selling Rocket Dog. You can pick these up at Marshall's, Ross, TJ Maxx. So they're not expensive to begin with, but I'm going to give them a try. Oh my goodness, these are super cute, you guys. Look at these. Okay, these are PUMA slides. They're so pretty. Really, really soft with the PUMA across the front. But these are Fenty by Rhianna. I've never seen these. So I'm so excited. They're a size 37 European. So that's roughly a size 7. It does look too small for me. I would love to give these a try, and they're in pretty good shape. They need a good cleaning on the bottom, the sole only, the soles. These, I'm so excited. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, okay, that looks like a thrift store price tag. I thought it was going to give me some details, but no, I'm happy to try these in my closet. And these feel, first off, these are heavy. These are Maria Sharapova by Cole Haan. So I guess this is probably a collab. Is that the tennis star? So I'm not sure. So they're Cole Haan, and that's good. And they might be comfortable. They have some issues. Number one, they're heavy. I don't know about you, but when I am wearing shoes, when I'm picking shoes for myself, I don't care for heavy shoes. But you can see there's a flaw right there. And I don't think that's, oh, it is. That's dirt. Okay, that's good. That was not a flaw in the leather. This is what the heels look like. So that feels like solid wood. Look at the soles. Somebody bought these and said, these are too heavy to wear. I'm going to list these. We'll see how they do. Okay, next up are some boots. And this is what they look. Whoa, that's what they look like. Let's see. Oh, these are Frye. There you go. See that little Frye emblem? Now, these look small to me. These are a 6 medium, and they're kind of a camel color. They've got a cone stacked heel. And these need a good polishing. Let's see what the soles look like. The soles look marvelous. They look really good. They were trying to sell these for $149, marked down to $100. I'm excited to have these. These look fun. Are these Sperry's? Nope, these are not Sperry's, but I don't think they're Sperry's. They're wannabes. I say they're not Sperry's because they don't say Sperry's there. These are Sanuk. And are they? These are Sanuk? Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, they are. Look, you can tell by the soles there. These are cute, and right there's the tag that says Sanuk. And these look like they look like they've never been worn, although you can see dirt on the sole there. So I'm going to assume these have been worn, and I'll wash them up. They're really a cute summer tropical vibe shoe. Cute, cute. Okay, we've got some high heels. High heels with a leather sole on them. And who are you? These are L.A.M.B. Oh my goodness, this is Gwen Stefani's line, L.A.M.B. Oh, this is so fun. I've never found L.A.M.B. before. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And you can see the bottom there. What does it say? $259.99 at Saks off 5th Avenue. Ooh, okay. They have been worn. You can see. That's great. But the heels look marvelous. They look incredibly high, don't they? But they do have a hidden platform in them. These are in fabulous shape. I am not disappointed by these. Excited to add these to my closet. Guys, I don't know this brand. It's Annie Lou, made in Italy, and these look like a nice quality shoe. You know, I used to work with a girl named Annie Lou, and she was also kind of a shoe fiend. These are in excellent shape. I'm excited to do a little research on these. Look how pretty these are. Really nice. A shiny heel with 0 damage on the heel or anywhere, as a matter of fact. But they're dirty on the bottom, so I assume they've been worn or at least tried on. Oh, you know what? They're a size 34. That's super small, but someone's going to love these. Yeah, a 34, that's a size 4 US, isn't it? Oh, that's too bad. It looks like the remainder of the shoes are tennis shoes, and they're all in plastic. So I hope that's a good thing, because this is a brand called Comfort View, and they're dirty, so these are used. The bottom is dirty, but they're stuffed. That's what the inside label looks like. I've never heard of this brand, but they do not feel like a leather shoe. In fact, this reminds me of something that you would get a cheap shoe from Amazon. You guys cross your fingers. I have really enjoyed the shoes I've received so far, but I hope I didn't get a bunch of off-brand tennis shoes. But I think I might have, because these are super, super light. And these are, oh, these are Skechers. Okay, I can live with Skechers. And, okay, there's still some dust on the bottom, but these are in excellent shape. And I don't, where's the size? These are a size 11, and they're in like new condition. Skechers memory foam. I do see a little watermark right there. You can see it, right? But other than that, I mean, like new tennis shoes. Okay, it's looking better. I spoke too soon. This is, okay, they're cute. These are really cute. Tell me this comfort view is something. Okay, these are rainbow. So, I mean, you got some Pride tennis shoes there, and they're just like new. I mean, they look comfortable. I think these are going to be really tough to sell, but I could be wrong. Maybe Comfort View is a desirable brand. No, it's another Comfort View. Although these are cute enough, and I don't even see a size. They don't even have a size. Oh, these are a size 9.5, and they're like new. These aren't even dusty. They're like brand new. Yeah. So there you have that. I just don't think those are worth much. Okay, the next ones are not tennis shoes, but they're beat up. I mean, they're dirty. I don't even know if, I guess I can try to clean them. These are Betsy Johnson. They're called the Dance, and they're a size 11. This is what the bottoms look like. The bottoms are in great shape. The top, not so much. So you can see how really, really dirty these are. Really, really dirty. And they do have an iridescent sparkle shimmer in them. I'm going to scrub these. I have nothing to lose by scrubbing them and trying to get the dirt and smudges out. And they're a great size. I'm happy to sell them. I do like the scallop detail all around them, and these need to be reshaped because they were in the bottom of this box, and I bet they were in the bottom of someone's closet for a long time. They wanted $12 for these at the thrift store. Okay, guys, there's one more. The good news is they're not tennis shoes. These are actually Coach. These are rain boots by Coach, and these are poppy rain boots. And I've never sold rain boots. I live in the desert, so I don't have a lot of knowledge about them. What am I looking for? Tell me what I need to know about rain boots. I mean, they look okay. I do know that olive oil is what you use to polish them up. These are a size 8. They're my size. I'm going to try rain boots on. I'm going to try these on and see what I think. The bottom of the sole, it's a little bit yellow. Can you see that? I don't know if there's anything I can do to bring that back to life. I'm going to research that as well. So by this time, you have seen all the comparable soles on the screen, and so you have an idea of how I'm going to do when I sell these shoes. What do you think? I honestly, I just don't know. There's some really fabulous shoes in this lot. I love the Gwen Stefani shoes, the L.A.M.B shoes. Those are gorgeous, and I think they're going to do really well on Poshmark. I'm disappointed about the boutique kind of tennis shoes. I don't think anybody searches for Comfort View. Do you? I mean, have you sold them? Do you know what they are? Hook a girl up if you do, guys. Would I buy this box again? I think so. I don't really need inventory right now, but I'm impressed. I'm impressed with some of the good brands that they included in this box, and I'm also impressed with their shipping time. I had no problems with this box. We'll see. Let's see if I can flip these shoes and make a profit. I mean, really, that's going to be the deciding factor in whether or not Jomar is sourcing option that I can depend on. Now, I do have more shoes to share with you. If you enjoy shoe hauls, first off, give this video a thumbs up. But I picked up 26 pairs of shoes at the bins in Arizona, and I finally got all of that inventory sorted through, and my next video is going to be those shoes because I love shoes, and I love listing and selling shoes. They just make me happy. If they make you happy, make sure you subscribe because I want to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings.